Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create this in After Effects. Let's start. Okay guys, welcome back. I will add the vector link and project file link in my description below. You can check it from there. Okay, now let's select this background and let's lock this background layer and select this phone and let's link it to hand left. Select this hand left, let's go to solo, press Y, or you can come to here and click to pan behind. And let's move the anchor point to here. Let's go on solo. Now let's sit. Okay, nice. And select this by and let's link it to button. Select this button and let's link it to phone. Also select this hand right. Let's go to solo and let's move the anchor point to here. Let's go on solo and select this arm right. Let's go to solo and move the anchor point to here. And select this hand right. Let's link it to arm right. Let's see. Okay, nice. And select this high heels. Let's link it to phone. And also select these layers. Let's link them to phone as well. So let's start to give animation to the hand right. Let's select this arm right and press P. Go to here somewhere and make position keyframe and let's go to first second. Let's move it to here. And select keyframes, let's make them easy, or you can press F9 for that. Let's see. And select keyframes, let's go to graph editor. Let's change the graph like this. Let's see. Let's actually go to the last keyframe and let's move it to here somewhere. And then let's select this hand right, let's press R, make rotation keyframe and go to 10 keyframe. Let's change the rotation to -5 and go to 10 keyframe again and let's change it to 0. Select keyframes and make them easy. Let's see. Okay, it's kind of slow, so select keyframes, hold Alt and let's move it to the left. Let's see. Nice. Now let's go to this keyframe and select this arm right, hold Shift, press up, make rotation keyframe and go to here. Let's change rotation to -2 and go to here. Let's change it to 0. Let's make these keyframes easy as well. Let's see. Okay, nice. Now let's go somewhere to here and select this button, press S, make scale keyframe and go some keyframes. And let's change the scale to 90 and go some keyframes again and let's change it to 100. Let's make the keyframes easy. Let's see. Nice. Now let's select this high heels and let's move it to somewhere to here. Also, let's do the same for this text and rectangle. Let's move it to back. Let's see now. Okay, nice. Also, we can animate these text layers. So for that, let's go somewhere to here and select this text one. Let's press S, make scale keyframe and uncheck here. Let's change this one to 0 and go to 10 keyframe with holding shift and page down and change the scale to 110. Go one more time 10 keyframe and change it to 95 and go one more time. Let's make it 100. Select keyframes, make them easy and hold out. Let's move them to the left. Let's copy these keyframes with Ctrl C and go to here. And let's paste it for the remaining text layers. Like this. Let's see. Okay, also let's select these keyframes and let's move them to the right a little bit. Let's see now. Nice. Now let's go to this keyframe and let's make a static keyframe and go somewhere to here. Let's select this arm right and let's move it to here. Also change the rotation like this. Okay, and go to 10 keyframe. Let's change the rotation like this. And move it to the up. Let's see. Okay, select these keyframes and move them to the right. Also select these keyframes, press Ctrl C and go to here. Press Ctrl V. Let's see. Okay, now select this position keyframes, go to graph editor. Let's zoom the graph. And select this middle part. Let's move this one like this. And select this one. Let's make it like that. Let's see. Okay, nice. Now let's go to last keyframe and let's go to 10 keyframe and change the rotation to 0. Let's see. Okay, also let's select these keyframes and let's move them to the right to make it more slowly. Let's see now. Okay, nice. This one is more better. Also select this keyframes and hold Alt. Let's move them to the left to make it quick. Okay, now to make it more bouncy, let's go to here and change the rotation of it to -4. And let's go some keyframes. Let's make it +2 and go some keyframes again. Let's make it 0. Let's see. Okay, nice. Now let's make animation for these high heels. Let's go to here and select this high heels, press P, make position keyframe. And let's go to here. Let's move it like this. Select keyframes and make them easies. And go to graph editor, let's zoom the graph and select this area. Let's move it to the left. Let's see. Okay, we can move it a little bit to the right. Nice. Now select this high heels and let's move it to down a little bit. Somewhere to here. And select this phone, let's duplicate it with Ctrl D and move it to the up. Select this high heels and let's change the track matte to alpha matte phone 2. Let's see. It's time to import the 3D layer, but before we're gonna do it, we have to create a new solid layer. For that, right mouse, go to new and create a solid layer, and let's rename it to 3D. Click OK. Now let's go to FX presets and let's search for element. And let's double click to here, and then go to FX controls, and let's click to scene setup. Now from this window, let's go to import, and let's import these high heels. Let's click to open. And let's skip to all these settings and click OK. Also guys, the 3D model that I'm using is this one. Special thanks to this guy for this amazing 3D model. I will add the link in my description below, you can check it from there. And don't change any settings, let's click to OK again. Now as you can see, we can't see anything, so to fix that, let's go to group and let's create a group null and click to create. Now select this group null and press S, let's change the scale of it. Okay, nice. Also press R, let's change rotation. Okay, nice. Let's change the scale a little bit more, like this. Hold Shift press R, let's change rotation a little bit. Let's make it -90. Okay, nice. And change the scale. Also press P, let's move it to down to match the sizes. Let's zoom a little bit. Okay, we can change a little bit scale. And move it to the right, like this. Nice. Now let's create a new null object. And hold Ctrl double click to pan behind to move the anchor point to the center and select the null object. Let's move it to somewhere to here. Let's select the null object and move it to down and let's rename it to phone controller. Now let's close this keyframes and select arm right and hand left. Let's link them to phone controller. Select this arm right, let's press U so we can see the keyframes. Okay, nice. Now let's select this group 1 null object and let's make a position keyframe. And let's go to here. Let's go. Let's select it and move it the same way as this one. Like this. And select keyframes and make them easy. For now, let's close these high heels so we can see it. Let's see. Okay. Also select this 3D and group 1 null. Let's move it to down to somewhere to here. Let's see now. Nice. Now select these keyframes and go to graph editor. Let's change the graph like this. Let's see. Okay, nice. Now select this phone controller. Let's go to somewhere to here and press P, make position keyframe and go to here. Let's move it like this. Select keyframes and make them easy. Let's see. Okay, select these keyframes and let's move them a little bit to the right. And hold that, let's move it to the right as well. Let's see. Nice. Let's go to here and make a static keyframe for this group 1 null object, and let's delete this keyframe. Let's copy this keyframe, press Ctrl C, and go to here, press Ctrl V. Let's see. Nice. Also select this group 1 null object and hold Shift press S, make scale keyframe, and go to here. Let's change the scale. Select keyframes and make them easy. Let's see. Nice. Also hold Shift press R, make an orientation keyframe, and go to here. Let's change this one rotation like this, and go to here. Let's change it like that as well. Let's see. Okay, let's go to this keyframe and change the X rotation as well. Select keyframes and make them easy. Let's see. Select these keyframes and hold out. Let's move them to the right a little bit to make it more slowly. Okay, and then click this eye, close this null object so we can see it full. Actually, let's delete this keyframe. Let's see again. Okay, now let's go here and make an X keyframe and go here. Let's change it like this and go here. Let's change it to 0. Select keyframes and make them easy. Let's see. Okay. Also, let's change this orientation as well. Let's make it like that to make it more visible for us. Let's see it. Okay, now let's go to somewhere to here and check this orientation. Let's change the rotation like this and like that. Okay, let's see. Okay, as you can see, there is a problem with the keyframe. So to fix that, let's select these two keyframes, go to graph editor, let's zoom the graph, and let's select this area. Let's move it to the right and this one to the left. Let's make it like this. Now let's see it. Now let's make a static keyframe for X rotation as well and make Y rotation and go somewhere to here and let's change it to 1. Let's see. Okay, it's really fast, so select last keyframe and move it to the right and select keyframes, make them easy. Let's see. Let's change it like this, 180. Let's see now. Okay, nice. And now let's press N and let's see the full project. Okay, nice. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe channel and leave a comment in my video. See you in the next videos.